Tuesday morning, the Rockford Fire Department held a press conference stressing the importance of working fire alarms. According to the National Fire Protection Association, working smoke alarms reduce the risk of dying in a home fire by more than 60%. The Office of the Illinois State Fire Marshal, Camp IME, and the Rockford Fire Department teamed up to create Be Alarmed, a smoke alarm installation program to help reduce fire deaths and ensure as many residents possible have working fire alarms.
Has to do with what's in homes, right? So you have plastics, you have a lot more things that burn much hotter than, historically what you had in homes. So again, the importance of having a working smoke alarm cannot be overstated.